Good morning, I'm meteorologist Dave Schmidt with the National Weather Service here in La Crosse with a severe weather briefing update regarding the severe weather possibility this afternoon into tonight and heavy rain and flash flood potential. Here's our current radar this morning. As you can see, we have widespread rain and embedded showers and thunderstorms across the plains heading into the upper Mississippi River Valley. And this will continue spreading into the area today, becoming rather heavy across our local area here this afternoon into tonight, and then eventually tapering off by tomorrow morning. So here's our expected threats for today into tonight. In that blue shaded area, you can expect heavy rain with some flooding. In the red area, in addition to that, we're going to have a severe thunderstorm potential across that area as the warm front comes in the vicinity of the I-80 corridor today. And across that severe thunderstorm area, you can expect large hail, damaging wind, and isolated tornadoes. Here's our risk for excessive rainfall. As you can see, it's highest across southeast Minnesota into Wisconsin, basically along the I-90 corridor. And looks like the highest threat time will be this afternoon into early Friday morning. Here's the current layout of our flash flood watch. This was recently expanded overnight to include the rest of southwest Wisconsin into northeast Iowa. And you can see the area extending all the way from east central, northeast Wisconsin into central Wisconsin, western Wisconsin, and southern Minnesota into the northwest half of Iowa. So again, this flash flood watch would be in effect from today into tonight. Here's our current thinking of the where the heaviest precipitation will fall. We're looking for that heavy rain axis to be along the Iowa-Minnesota border and extending into Wisconsin again along that I-90 corridor up through Green Bay. And within that heaviest rain band, we can expect 3 to 5 inches of rain with possibly some locally higher amounts depending on where some stronger thunderstorms set up. And of course, this heavy rainfall will affect area river basins, including the Mississippi River, and in Minnesota, the Zumbro, Whitewater, and Root. Minnesota, Iowa, the Cedar River, and in Wisconsin, some of the major river areas that may be affected include the Buffalo, Trempealeau, and Black, along with the Chippewa River basins. Minor to major flooding is possible along these basins. As far as the severe thunderstorm risk, there is a slight chance of severe storms again south of I-90 in Wisconsin into northeast Iowa. So we got to watch for some supercell thunderstorms in that slight area. Again, the main threat would probably be large hail and damaging winds, but we can't rule out a tornado or two across northeast Iowa into far southwest Wisconsin. It just depends on how far north that warm front gets. So spotters may be needed across that area. And in addition, we would ask spotters to provide any rainfall reports for today into tonight. So here are some of the impacts with this storm system coming into the area and rainfall. We're looking for excessive rainfall and, with repeated heavy rains, some flash flooding, and possibly some mudslides and road closures. So beware of that, especially in hilly terrain. Looking for quick rises in smaller streams, and possible minor to major flooding going on there. So be on the lookout for that, especially those that have interest along riverways. And additional thunderstorm risks will be seen Saturday night into Sunday. This could be bring more rainfall, so that could exacerbate the flooding conditions. And if there is a hail, wind, tornado threat, if that does materialize, we could see property and tree damage. So this has been an updated severe weather briefing. as of 6 a.m. this morning. Stay tuned for further updates. You can also monitor us on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Thank you very much. Yeah, have a good day.